Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones miniature. This is the Grim Reaper. It was part of the Bones 5 Kickstarter set, but I am pretty sure this was also a 25th anniversary miniature. It was primed in black and given a white zenithal highlight. I get started with the bulk of the model, which is the robes. Of course, they had to be black, and Black Templar contrast is probably the best choice for this over zenithal prime. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Next up is the Scythe Handle with charred brown. I was originally thinking sort of like a grey wood look, but it wouldn't look right on this model and would make the model look too dark and tonal like. For the wrappings on the arms and the straps around the scythe, I went for cobalt skin. This should help separate them from the bones a bit more. The bones are all base coated in skeleton bone. I try out a new metallic colour for the metal parts. This is Evil Chrome, which after the wash goes on looks like sort of a reddish copper sort of colour. The hourglass needs to stand out, so I went with magic blue, as this will just contrast against all those pretty bland colours that are on this model. I do also do the eyes in this colour as well, just to make them give that glowy look. Next up, I grabbed bone white and gave the bones a bit of a highlight. I do try to dot in the centre of the eyes, completely mess it up, so I just paint back over them with magic blue. For the rocks on the base, they get a quick and dirty highlight of medium sea grey. To finish up, I gave everything but the robes a wash of soft tone. I gave the base a double wash once the first coat was dry, just to give it that more sort of muddy look. And that will be it for the Grim Reaper, a quick and simple mini, but only really quick because I used contrast paints. If I didn't use them, it probably will take 3 times as long to get that blend on the robe. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. Also in the description are some of the affiliate links to products that I use on a regular basis. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.